shopping malls are embracing digital technologies to drive new customer experience. Empowering retail transformation, PCCW Solutions developed the integrated Smart Mall platform to create a new level of customer engagement and business opportunities. The Smart Mall platform can be fully integrated with the mall-branded all-in-one mobile app, which supports on-premises facilities booking and third-party online services. Customers can select different services, browse information in real time, and complete transactions seamlessly via the platform.
First part, we are going to talk about abstract. In today's world, shopping malls have been a significant part in everyone's life. A shopping mall is a specially constructed cover area with stores and restaurants that people can walk between and where automobiles are not permitted. The smart mall is an simplified method of managing shopping malls. Retailment and technology will be combined in smart mall to provide new and improved shopping experience. The consumer benefits from a more engaged and customer-focused visit, while store owners gain access to wealth of data that allows them to better understanding on what kind of promotion they should do. These kind of shopping malls are different from bigger malls. It provides one-stop service for eating, drinking, shopping, and entertainment. That's the reason why some people refer to it as a smart mall. For example, there are features like drive-through, which allows customers to drive around the smart mall, which allows them to buy stuff and items or even groceries from their own car itself. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum Prof. My name is NURFARAHIN binti Fauzi. My mention number is A19A0668. My part is about the background of Smart Mall. Smart Mall is a combination of hardware and software. It is equipped with cutting-edge technology and a smart access system. It has an all-in-one user administration interface. The administrator of the Smart Mall system has full access to all of the system features. It will combine all of the equipment and system to make working easier for the user. The technology will assure the safety of all customers, staff and belongings 24 hours a day, even 7 days a week. We choose Smart Mall because we discovered that most individuals would rather leave a shopping mall than wait in a large line to buy a few items. People have a tough time finding the things they want to buy, and once they do, they must wait in a long line for billing and payment. We created our system to try to solve the problem and had previously been recognized. Some other purpose is the usage of smartphone to facilitate shopping at shopping malls by providing a better user interface and streamlining the process. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Have a good day, doctor. My name is POORNIHMAA RAMAMURTHY. My metric number is A18A0778. Today I will going to present as my part of the problem statement. There are two problem statements I mentioned in this section. First and foremost is the coronavirus pandemic has a massive impact over the retail service. Based on this problem, shopping mall play an important role in a one-time popular meeting hubs that were still under pressure from e-commerce, and the diminished foot traffic was immediately devoid of a customer as the world trapped itself in an attempt to contain the transmission of the epidemic. As the retailers and mall owners, they grapple with the implication of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many are accelerating. Therefore, we decided to plan and broadening in order to explore find opportunities to keep it running specific malls in the current realm. Second problem is customers are worried about the product before the conceptions. This is happened due to every product will be shifting to the shelf by hands of the workers. In every mall, people will be physically touching the products. In that cases, this is also the main way of spreading the virus. Therefore, customers are willing to find a versatile way where they could be avoiding the physical touches from the other customer and avoid the chances of getting affected by the virus. In order to alleviate all this issue among customers, in that cases we decided to develop our smart mall to assist the customers will be a more beneficial to the customer because it will allow them to escape from the crowds as well as the actual contact with the things that must be purchased. There are 5, but I picked 3 steps to explain more into for alleviate the problem occur among the customer to simply to do the purchasing without risk. First is the focus on safety and convenience. So this is as a balancing customer desire for social interaction with their desire for a safe and convenient shopping experience. Second is the embrace technology. This is in order to use emerging technologies to improve efficiency and productivity as well as the development of interactive and engaging interactions. Then the third is the rethink the role of the store. This is emphasizing the role of the associate in facilitating excellent client service and focusing on customer experience through showrooms, pop-up locations and other creative formats. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is THARMASHANGAR Analagi GUNUSEGRAN. My metric number is A19A0947. I'm going to present about model of smart malls. Smart malls such a platform is the digital media management hub. It's used for purchase goods by customers in Malaysia over to integrate platforms and to enable creative content procedures and analyze to work together to manage multiple content channels and harvest the data we produce. Model is also more future proof because even if the number of crunching tech changes and the desire for great content won't, it is that drives people to make purchase. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ZULHAKIM and NORNIKMAN E1A0334. So for my part is I have to explain about my group discussion. So in our group there are 2 discussion, which is IoT, Internet of Things, retail ready, and the second one is evolving with customer. So for the first one, IoT solutions have evolved to the point where they are now span all aspects of retail, from front-end apps like POS to inventory tracking and management, as well as security. The adaptability and breadth of the IoT make it ideal for retail. It's global trend that might simply be replicate on a small scale. And the second one, evolving with customer. Wiser malls can lead to a smarter retail strategy. Retailers can better respond to customer patterns and behaviors using the data collected through the customer interactions. Not only can Internet of Things sensors be used to manage inventory levels, but they can also be utilized to determine which things sell out the most frequently and which are not worth refilling. Thank you.
The next one is the expected contribution. COVID-19 has changed everyone's shopping habits. It shows smart malls advantage also. The first advantages will be competitive advantage of retail. Any new innovation will attract customers in the long run as well as provide a competitive advantage for the firm to grow. For promotion, the retailers are most likely to use the mall's internal network. We will be given information from daily traffic as well as vendors with customers' feedback with this. For example, lot solution may help retailers gain a better understanding of their customers, modify their goods to be more appealing, and enable new initiative retail. solution. Lot sensor can also be used not only to maintain their inventory levels but also to determine which item sells out the most frequently and which are worth restocking. In short, being able to purchase from the comfort of their own house is tempting as compared to struggling with the traffic and the inconvenience of finding a parking spot as well. The second expected contribution will be contactless payment. It is simple to use and provide loyalty benefit from customers' perspective. Other types of payment are less reliable and secure than tap to pay technology. The rise in interest in contactless payment method is one of the most significant shift to rise, especially after the pandemic starts. Nearly most of the consumers who previously claimed that they wouldn't be interested in trying new payment method did so, during which is a positive change because it raises COVID-19 awareness as well. Since the COVID-19 pandemic has started, it has such a significant impact on consumer behavior as well. Therefore, it is the perfect time to construct a smart mall. That's all from me.